How to block apps on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your settings. After you open up your settings, scroll down till you find an option called screen time. After you find screen time, open it up, and after you're there, scroll down till you find content and privacy restrictions. Tap on content and privacy restrictions. And after you tap on content and privacy restrictions, you will see different options. One of them will be allowed apps and features. Head over to allowed apps and features. And after you're on allowed apps and features, you will see different apps. Now to block an app, you will simply need to toggle a button off. And after you do that, that app will get blocked and it won't even be available in your home screen. Now let's say that I have simply toggled off the camera. So let me just turn this on for now. And let's check where my camera is. So it should be right around here. So after you find your camera app, it's here. What you will need to do is you will need to go here, and let's say I have turned off this camera. Now as you can see, the camera will disappear after a few seconds. And that is basically how you block an app on iPhone. And yeah, that is how you do it guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.